Have you backed up your phone contacts and you're onto your Google account and you're wondering where to find them? So onto this video, I'm going to show you where to find the backed up phone contacts on your Google account. So get to any browser. For me, I'm going to use the Google. I'm already signed in. So to go to your Google account where the backed up contacts are, you need to sign in to your Google account. So mine is already signed in, so I don't need to stress about that. I'll just get to tap onto the profile picture, then tap on manage your Google account. So when I get over here, I'm gonna scroll down, then I get to tap on people and sharing, then I get to tap on contacts. So this is where the backed up contacts on your Google account are. So if you want to get to restore one of them, it is an easy process. Just get to tap on the one you want to restore, like this one, Benon. Then get to tap onto the three dots icon over there, then tap on export, then choose vCard for Android or iOS, then tap export, then tap download. It will be downloaded, then tap open file. So the file will be choose just now, the file will be open, and get to tap import. So you then get to choose your phone and then tap import. So that's how easy you can get to restore a backed up phone contact, and also how to see where to see where they are on your Google account if you don't know. Yeah,